Eco Detergent 48 ounces, Lavender Chamomile by Sprout is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Fill the laundry room with a calming blend of true lavender infused with chamomile. Lavender promotes tranquility and chamomile has a lulling effect to enhance sleep. Sprout Detergent is an eco-friendly, all-natural detergent that's great for your entire family, and safe for cloth diapers and sensitive skin. It will clean and disinfect your diapers while rinsing clean. No more battling with eye-watering ammonia smells, as Sprout dramatically helps neutralize the odor. The scent is for you to enjoy and will freshen your washing, maching, and make your laundry room smell nice. It is designed to safely wash out of your diapers or clothing, and leave nothing behind but a clean fresh scent. 48 ounces bag, 48 to 96 loads. Detergent is safe for all water types, and is designed to work with both heat and conventional machines. Free from dyes, brighteners, enzymes, phosphates, and is SLS free. It is also 100% natural and biodegradable.